This is Number Skills Lesson 104. Number Skills Lesson 104. We're going to review a few things today before we learn some new things. Hi, Stewie. Hey. You going to come learn some numbers with us? All right. If y'all will look at the board, you will notice that I have numbers 1 through 6 on the board, and I also have our number words 1 through 6 on the board. I want you to remember how we match our numbers with our number words. So we know this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But do you know what these number words say? Let's see if you remember, okay? All right, so let's look at the number 1. Number 1. Let's look across this row. Move my chair again. Let's move across this row, and we have to match it to find number 1 over here in this row. Is this word say number 1? No. This one, this one, this one? Yes, that's what number 1 is, so we're going to match it. That says 1. We need to match the number word 2 for the number 2. TWO. That says 2. We're going to match it. Which number over here is the number word number 3? Now we can sound that word out, so 6, so that's not 3. What about this one? 3, 3. Yes, that says 3, so match that. Let's see if we can find number word 4. Of course, we know it has to start with a f, so this would not be it, would it? What about this one? 4, or this one. Is this 4? Which one is it? I think it's this one, 4. 5, 5. We can read the number word 5. That's not a sight word. It's a long I sound, and the E is silent, so it's 5. 5. And of course, the last one we have right up here is left, and that should match with the number 6, and it does. So those are your number words. Go over your number words with Mom and Dad so you can recognize what the word looks like for the number. Okay, let me erase our board here. All right, and we're going to erase this, and I'm going to ask you, what number comes after this number? Of course, we have to know that this is a 30s family because it starts with a 3. So 39, what comes after 39? 40 is right. Excuse Stewie barking. Sorry about that. Let's look at what number comes after this number. That number's in the 20s family, so it's 21. What number comes after 21? 22. Very good. Now, here's a hard one. Sometimes we have trouble with the teens family. We know that number's in the teens family because it starts with a 1. That number is 11. What number comes after 11? 9, 10, 11, 12. You have to know how to write 12 though. So 1 and a 2. After numbers, all right? After numbers. Everybody should know how to do those. If you're having trouble, make sure you work with that with Mom and Dad, especially the teens family, because the teens family, for some reason, seems to be more difficult for some of us. All right, we want to learn something new today. Well, before we do that, let's back up. Let's back up. I don't want to go to our new stuff yet. I want to review something else. Let's count by 10s to 100. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. I know y'all know how to do that. And when we write by 10s, remember, we write 10, 1, 0, 20, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 8, 0, 9, 0, 10 0 makes 100. That's writing by tens. All right? Writing by tens. We should all know how to do that by now. So if we've got a group of 10, let's say we've got 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we've got another group of 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We write 10, 20, okay? 10, 20. And then we get another group, it would be 30, 40, and so on, all right? That's how we write by tens. We've been doing that for a while, so y'all should know how to do that, okay? All right. Now we are going to learn something new today. We're going to learn how to count by fives. So, here's what we do. If everybody was here, and I wish you were, I would tell everybody to put up 5 fingers. Miss Ellie has 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's 5. And then we'll put up another 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes 10. 5, 10. Okay? And then if Mason had up 5, we could say 15. And if Lila had 5, we'd say 20. And then Palmer's 5, we'd say 25. And Kinsley's 5, we'd say 30. Harper's 5, we'd say 35. Okay? So you see how we're doing that? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Wow. Counting by fives goes so much quicker than counting by ones. Yeah. So let's count by fives together. Let's count to 55 together. Ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Very good. Very good. All right? Say that over and over again with mom and dad or brothers and sisters. Teach them to count by fives. You can do it. It's easy. All right. Now, of course, you know that Miss Ellie does have a worksheet for our number lesson, our math lesson, and y'all are my math whizzes, so I know you're going to be really good at this. So, take out your worksheet that looks like this. It's worksheet, and it's lesson 104. You have some addition problems at the top. I know y'all know how to do those. Remember, Miss Ellie says it's perfectly fine to use those fingers. If you need to count your fingers, go ahead and count your fingers. 3 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Use your fingers if you need to, or if you need to use your markers or write dots on your paper. Whatever you need to do that. Okay? All right. Then you've got grapes in the next row with a red box, with a green box underneath. In each box, you're going to write by tens because there's 10 groups of grapes in each box. So you're going to write 10, 20, all the way till you get to the red box, and that's going to tell you how many grapes you have all together. Now remember, you're writing by tens. All right? Down here, look at these bears with the red bow ties. They're so cute. I want you to fill in the bubble under the bear that is 6th. So start counting here by the red arrow. Fill in the bubble that is bear number 6, that is 6th in the row. And down here at the bottom, you see that the box comes after the number. Look at the number and then write the number in the box that comes after the first number. Those are your after numbers. All right? You can do that, then have mom or dad or grandma look at your paper and see how well you did. All right? Good luck. That's our number lesson for today.